whether you work in transport, logistics, retail, or even healthcare, occasionally you'll be required to take receipt of stock. Let me show you Zebra's AI for the Frontline way of doing this. So we have a packing list here. I'm just going to scan the document. That's reading the text and pulling out the pertinent information and populating the form. Now, as you scroll down, you can see there's a requirement of 3 for item 1 and a quantity of 3 for item 2. So we're expecting 6 boxes. Let's reconcile with reality. I'm just going to scan the pallet here. It's come back with 6 boxes found and a big green tick. How quick and easy is that?